contractor to make me a spot. I sold the dope out your house, now you come to my house, I got dope in the couch. You know I don't fuck with no rumors. Rockin' red bottoms like they Pumas. Got these meds on me, I'ma do 'em. I take these pills and I'm having a thrill. Taking prescriptions, a hell of a feeling. As per the Xanny, I never forgot it. Got them begging and calling my phone, tryna have a menage. Gotta pull up the cash, can't even stay in the house cause it's too much to hide. Whip the 4-2, but now I gotta pay up the rent, I was too far behind. Fuck 'em 2 at a time. Fuck 'em 2 at a time. Had to do what I had to do, get where I'm at, niggas know I ain't lying. Niggas know I ain't lying. It's a lot on my mind, it's a lot on my plate, but I never complain. I was working the weight like I came out the gym, I never did train. Put the girl on the train, scrapped the bird on the back, now she came back with change. Hey, I just fuck your bitch, that's some Gucci flip-flops.